Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Muhammad Sheikh's channel. Please click the bell icon so that you may receive timely notifications of our upcoming videos.
Now that how the devil plays the role. Surah Zukhruf 43, 36, 37. وَمَنْ يَعْشُ عَنْ ذِكْرِ الرَّحْمَنِ نُقَيِّضْ لَهُ شَيْطَانًا فَهُوَ لَهُ قَرِينٌ وَإِنَّهُمْ لَيَصُدُّونَهُمْ عَنِ السَّبِيلِ وَيَحْسَبُونَ أَنَّهُمْ مُهْتَدُونَ. Whosoever is dim-sighted about the remembrance of Most Gracious, we barter for him a shaitan, so he will be connected for him. And the shayateen will definitely oppose them out the way, and they will calculate that they are the guided ones. Now this shaitan, people, it's very simple. Whosoever, any human being at any time, whether he has read the Quran or he has not read the Quran, or after reading the Quran, he becomes dim-sighted, meaning he is not taking guidance. So Allah says, whosoever dim-sighted about the remembrance of Allah. When I am reading and trying to understand the ayats, I am remembering Allah. So whoever is dim-sighted about the remembrance of Most, we barter for him, we exchange for him a shaitan, and he will be connected for him. Before I said the messenger is in you. Didn't I say? The messenger in you. Now shaitan is bartered with me. The message in me, but the shaitan is bartered. Means exchange. And the shaitan will definitely oppose them about the way, and they will calculate they are the muhtadeen. That's the amazing part. The shaitan will realize you that you are on the right track. You are the muhtadeen people, guided ones. Read the Quran without understanding. Allah knows He will give you sawab. You are a muhtad. 5 times a day, going to the mosque. 5 times a day, go to the mosque. Go to the mosque 40 years, 50 years. Go down, stand, bow and pros. Don't understand, come back. At least you are praying. Allah will give you sawab. Muhtadeen, the guided one. Sit in the taqaf 5 days, 7 days, 10 days. Don't understand anything. Just sit and sleep and eat and drink and sleep and do prayers. Allah will give you sawab. I can tell you number of things. People think they are guided without knowing a word of the book. A word. And once I told him, he said, don't show me translation. I believe the Arabic. And believe me what? He says, I believe innaka, this innaka is from Allah. I believe. Innaka is Allah. Allah says what He says. He knows best, and He knows my heart. He knows what He says. I believe not this. I believe this. Whatever He says is right. Everything is right. Whatever you say is right. Whatever you say is right. I feel in the Quran. This is how people, these things guided. I can tell you number of things. People are so darkness, blind. And Allah says on the day of judgment, people will stand up blind. Because you are blind here. What is blindness? You don't know. And he's so stubborn. And he thinks that he's right, 100% right. This is what shaitan does it. Shaitan he will make dim-sighted from the remembrance of Allah. Dim-sighted, you can't see clearly. And a shaitan will be bartered for you, and then he will be connected to you, and then Allah says He will definitely oppose about the way. What is the way? He will oppose it, and these people will calculate, I am muhtadeen, I am guided ones.